Hello guys.
We just got done eating In-N-Out.
We just got done with Nas Berry.
Dog.
Bro. Any louder. Hey, okay, wait, but stop being so happy for a
Okay.
second.
Why?
Because I got something to tell you, like, and it's pretty serious. Stop. Like, actually, it's serious.
Okay, what is it?
Like, okay, let's just say, like, metaphorically, cinematically, hypothetically, I, like, got
Spit
some...
it out!
I got some random girl pregnant.
The fuck?
What?
What do you mean?
Like, with a girl,
What the fuck you?
and with a girl, inside a girl, and now she has a baby.
You can go take the... That's your fault.
You're
Why
not-
are you telling me?
You're supposed to support me. You don't care?
It's not that I don't care. You're fucking stupid.
You're mad?
You know what? I think I'm gonna go. I'll get an Uber home.
Are you dead ass?
Yeah, I'm dead ass. What the fuck?
You're just mad because the baby's not yours.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Got me fucked up.
All right then.